Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss about importance of life. We should know that life is a wonderful gift of God. There is some purpose for taking birth on this life. There must be some purpose for taking birth on this life. We take birth on this earth by having some purpose, some specific purpose. Death is not its goal. We also know that death is the last stoppage of life. It is certain we must not fear from death because it is certain, we all know it, and it is the last stoppage of life. But before to reach the last stoppage, we have to fulfill the purpose. We have to show the purpose to the newcomers for what we have taken birth on this earth. But most among us spend their life uselessly. They are not knowing what is the real purpose of life, what is the importance of life, what is the value of life, and they never try to make it more valuable, more important. So today I want to discuss what is the importance of life, what is the purpose of life, why we take birth on this earth, what we should do, what we should not do, how our life can be more important, more valuable. These things are important today. Our life now become very busy. In busy schedule, we do not get chance, we do not get time to know more and more about the life. And in schedule way, we pass our time and we go nearer and nearer to the date, to the last stoppage. And when it will come, we meet with the death. So when we come near to the death, or when our energy, mind and body do not support us to fulfill the real purpose of life, then we begin to repent. We know the real meaning of life at that time where we are unable to come back. So before to go there, or the period when we are incapable, when we are unable to change something in our life, to do something in our life, is important. The real purpose of life should be the know more and more reality of life. To spend the real pleasure of life is also the purpose of life. Here real pleasure means pleasure that should be come from the heart, that should be come from the heart of others. It is called the real pleasure. Our real pleasure of life do not lie in outward appearances or in physical assets like grand building, a loads of luxurious vehicles, a grand deposit in bank accounts. These are not the these never give us the real pleasure of life, because it always gives us tension, and that types of the tension, that types of the burden never allow us, never give us a chance to know the reality of life. The reality of life lies in following few activities, few merits, like be positive not towards the ourself but also to other self, forming the habit of helping attitude, truth and honest to our all activity, also to others. What we think, that should be transparent. What we do, that should be similar what we think. Honesty, sincerity, hard working, positive attitude, helping attitude, truth, love and affection to others, respect to others. These are a few properties we should know how to develop, how to form it in our habit. And if we be able to form these types of features in our habit, definitely we come to know the importance of life. Human being is the single species which can form these habits, which can form these features in their life. All the living beings except human being, like animals, bird, insect, aquatic animals, animals living in air, are not having the ability to form these habits because their mind is not so developed as that of the human being. So human being is the single creature of God who can develop these habits and who can who can show the real way to develop these habits in their life. Life is also purpose to making the records that should be based on honesty, discipline, concentration, transparency, by helping the others, by advising good to others. If we form the record by following these things, definitely it become the milestone. It works as the milestone for the newcomers. This is the real purpose of life, and if we fulfill this purpose, definitely our life become more valuable, more importance. What the great personalities in this world have done it. The things has not been changed today. Everything are available today what were available in that times. But our lifestyle, our thinking, our greed, our habit of following the Western civilization, our habit of following the outward appearances, lifestyle of richer person, these things, these habits, these qualities never allow us to form the habit, all those habits, what habits the great personalities were having. So, if all the things are available still today, then the real purpose of life should be to develop these properties. These properties are necessary to know the reality of life, reality of truth. If you are unable to develop these things, then the other way is also available before us. We should spend some time before the statue of God. We must not say anything, we must not demand anything from the God, because God knows everything. God is the supreme power, most powerful empire, and their existence in every particles which lies in this universe. We should also know that God has made everything. This universe is created by God, so nothing is hidden before the God. So only we need to sit before the God constantly, 10 to 15 minutes only, not more than 15 minutes. If you are having time, then we should also spend more and more time before the God, because we get the inspiration from the God. God always give us inspiration, and that inspiration make our life, make us enable to form all those habits for which we take birth on this earth. We should also know that soul is the smallest unit of God which exists in our body, and soul also instruct us, also always give us the right information, right instruction. We must follow it, we must hear it, we must follow the instruction of soul. But a few among us are able to do these things. That's why a few among us know the real value of life, real purpose of life, for what we take birth on this earth. The importance of life can be grow very easily, and that way is to form the habits of these things. Once more, I want to discuss these habits through which we can know the real purpose of life, or we can grow the importance of life. Once more, in short, form the habit of honesty, truth, discipline, punctuality, dedication, positive attitude not only for ourselves but also for other self. Give up the greed, give up the habit of following Western civilization, give up the habit of following the lifestyle of richer. Get up early in the morning. It is also the good habits, because in the morning, timing about 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. if we get up, if we form the habit of getting up by 4 to 5 a.m., definitely we know something about the reality of life, real purpose of life, because in that period atmosphere is very cool, atmosphere is full of fresh oxygen, atmosphere and surrounding are peaceful and having attitude to support us, because a lots of the real energy which is also needful in our life are found in bulk amount in that period, I mean in morning period. And if we form the habit of getting up in the morning period, definitely we get the chance to avail that kinds of the energy which are really necessary in our life to form that kinds of the habit for which we take birth on this earth. So if we are able to form these habits, definitely we come to know the real purpose of life, for what we take birth on this earth. I think some idea about how to grow the importance of life, how we make our life more valuable, can be obtained from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment along with the topics about which you want to know more and more, which are not discussed in that video. I shall try my best to add all those topics, all those subjects selected by you in my next video. That video should reach you first. Thank you.